Hello everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. So today we are going to talk about how we can reverse a string. So there are various possible ways with which we can do that. So I will be discussing with you three methods with which you can reverse any string in Python. So let's begin. So we have mentioned our string over here, which is guru, and we want to reverse this string. So in order to do that, the first method that we are going to use is with the slicing method of Python. So we have given a name variable reverse string and we instantiated with string, that is the argument that we want to reverse, and then we are going to slice it with colon, colon and -1. So with this, it will reverse the string. Now, what is happening behind the scene is that when we give the first colon, then we have the start of the indexing before the colon. And when we give the second colon just before that, the parameter is the end. In Python, we don't consider the end. We see that the indexing starts from 0 and it goes end -1. So the end here will not be read, but if we do not mention, it will automatically take the default values, that is from 0 to end -1. The end is the length of the string. So this is start, end, and this -1 what we have mentioned is nothing but this is the step. So we are mentioning step as -1. So this will take automatically from the reverse, that is it will start from the end, that is the end, and it will go till the start, and it will go in the step format, that is -1. This is what is happening behind the scene. That is why we don't give any parameter to it, and by giving just -1 it automatically assigns the values to the index of start and end. If this is clear, now we can print our reverse string and let's see what result we get. So we can see our string is guru and it has been reversed as urug. So now we will be discussing another method in Python with which we can reverse the string. This is method 2. In this method, we are going to reverse the string utilizing a for loop. Now let's see how we can do that. So we have a reverse string which is an empty string. We are giving it by double quotes, and then we will be running a for loop with for I in range length of string -1 up till -1 with step -1. So with this we will be getting the index of the string from the end. So for example, if the string is of length 4, so it will start with 3 and then it will iterate. In the next step of the loop it will go to 2, then 1, then 0. That means this value of I will be first 3, 2, 1 and then 0. This way it will index the string from the last and it will keep on adding to this empty string, and this way we will get the string in the reverse order. We can print this and check how it works. So we got the reverse string. If we want to see in more detail how it is working, let us print the index first, and then let us also print the each element in the string in the reverse order. And now let's execute this. Now here you see that we are getting the indexing 3, that is the element u, which is the last element. In the second iteration of the loop we get index 2 and the second last element, and so forth, 1 and then 0 and the first element, and this has all been added up in each loop, and then this way we get our final reversed string. So I hope this method is clear. We can now move on to the third method. In this method we are using the list comprehension and the reverse function of list to reverse the string. So in the first step, what we are doing is we are creating a list having the elements as each character in that particular string. So for example, in our string, the word is guru. So the guru will be having split it into multiple characters. So for example, this list will become G U R U, this way. And now in the next step we are going to use the reverse function of list, which will automatically reverse this particular list into the reverse order, whichever was the order given to it. So it will reverse into U, R, U and G. So this way we will get our reverse list of elements, but we do not want the list of elements, we want the string. So we will join these elements and we will use the join function to join all the elements to form a string, and then we will see whether our joining and reversing has happened correctly. In the meanwhile, I will also print this reversed string just for our understanding, and let us execute this. So you can see that in the first step all the elements are splitted, that is all the characters in the word are splitted into an individual element of the list. In the second step we have reversed these elements of this list, and then in the third step we are just joining these elements using the join function. Point here to note is that sometimes it troubles a lot of people that how we can instantiate it, this str underscore list dot reverse. So we do not have to store it or instantiate it. It automatically stores the reversed list into this list. So we, for example, we do not have to instantiate it like this, reverse list, and then execute it. We just need to add dot reverse function of list to it and it will be reversed. So in this video I told you 3 methods with which you can reverse the list, reverse the string, and whichever method you found the best, you can utilize it. You can keep that in your memory bucket you can answer in your interviews or utilize these in your day-to-day life accordingly. Every method has its pros and cons, but I would suggest this method is one of the popularly used methods in the industry. I will be uploading more such videos which will not only help you in your interviews to face for data science entry level jobs or data analytics jobs, but also these small bits of tricks and tips will help you in your day-to-day life. So I end this video on this note, and I hope you liked the video. I request you humbly to please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take good care of yourself. See you.